Good morning all. We will take up our next set of numericals related to centroid. So here, find the CG of the shaded area. Okay, we need to find the CG of the shaded area. The diagram given is like this. It's a circle, firstly, right? And then if I assume this as the center of the circle, there are figures over here. There's a small circle inscribed, and then I have a triangle, 30 and 50, okay. Yeah. There is a triangle here, and then from the triangle, this point, there is a rectangle, okay, and then this area is shaded. Like this. Okay, now the dimensions being the radius of the bigger circle is 50 mm, the radius of the smaller circle is 5 mm. Okay, the base of the triangle is given to be 30 mm. Okay, and the dimensions of this rectangle, this length is 20 and its height is 10. Right, so 10 and 20. Now, iska height चाहिए. Height of the triangle also is 30 mm. Clear? Anything else is required? So 30, 40. Here it is touching this. So carefully see the figure. Right? So we have to find the CG of this shaded area only. So how many geometrical figures I have over here?
4.
4. That is a circle, small circle, I have a triangle and a rectangle. Okay. Which go into deductions? Which of these will go into deductions?
Rectangle, triangle,
Rectangle, triangle and
small circle.
small circle. Yes, correct. Deepa and Shifa, both of you are right. It is. I will first write CG of this big circle, and uske baad I will go for deductions of a rectangle, triangle and a smaller circle. Now, they have not given us any axis over here, x and y. So what we do, we have to assume this entire thing to be in the first quadrant. So from here, I will draw the x-axis, right? And from here, I'll draw the y-axis, like this. Right, this is my x-axis and y-axis, our reference axis. Now with these two reference axes, I have to put up the table, right? So let us write down the details. I want the diagram to be visible, but fine, let's see. So first, I'll write the components, okay? And then we write the area, and then we write the x and the y. Correct? So starting with first component, which shall we take first? We will name them. So first is a bigger circle because that is the main one. Usme sub deductions hoga. So first one is a bigger circle. Second one I'll take a smaller circle. Third one is a triangle and fourth one is a rectangle. So first circle we will write as it is. Uske baad we'll write deductions mein triangle, small circle and a rectangle. Deductions mein area goes with negative. Correct? So let us start. So first one, big circle. What is the area of that? What is the area of the bigger circle?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. R being 50. Correct?
50 minutes.
Pi into 50 square is your first area, that is area of the capital one. What is x1 for a capital circle? Or in case of circle, where is the CG? You have a circle. Where is the CG going to be for a circle? Always?
Center.
Center. So like this. right? So if I'll be knowing the diameter, so d by 2 is going to be the x and y. So if I consider the bigger circle, x is also here only, that is center d by 2, y also is d by 2. Should I add any extra distances from the reference axis?
No, ma'am.
No, we do not add any distances, right? So x1 is also d. D is how much? 100, because r is 50, so d is going to be 100. 100 by 2, and y1 also is going to be 100 by 2. Correct? So we are done with the capital circle. Then all are going into deduction. So I will write here deductions, and then I'll go for the second component. Second component, I have taken the small circle. Right? So smaller circle, what is the area of the smaller circle? Minus will come now. Deductions, no? So I'll write with minus. So r is 5. So pi r square. Pi into 5 square. Correct? With a negative sign because it is into deduction. What about x2 for the small circle? ऐसा छोटा circle है. उसका diameter is going to be 10 because radius is 5, मतलब diameter is 10. So individual उसका देखा तो how much it is going to be? 10 by 2. But then I have to add this extra distance, no? How do I calculate this distance?
minus 5.
50 minus 5, yeah, correct. So this would be 50 minus 5. That's also right, because till here it is 50 and this is 5, right? So what is the value of x2 then? Tell me the value of x2. 10 by 2 plus 50 minus 5, that is 45, right? So 10 by 2, that is d by 2 plus 45. If you see, this value also is how much? 50. This value also is 50 because they both are having the same CG, symmetrical figures. Okay. What about y2? Somebody tell me y2. I have to add this distance now. This distance also is going to be 50 minus 5 only because this is 50, usme our radius gone 5. So this distance also is 50 minus 5, right? And this is d by 2. So that is 10 by 2 plus 45. Again, this is also going to be 50 only, correct? Then third one, we'll go to the third one. Third one is a triangle, right? A3 with a minus sign. Third one is a triangle with a minus sign, this triangle. So area is what? Half base into height. So A3, I will write it as minus half base into height because both are 30 and 30, correct? What about x3 here? This is your triangle and its individual CG is going to be where? This is the triangle. This is the 90 degree. So where you expect the CG, towards the 90 degree or towards the apex?
90 degree.
Towards the 90 degree. Here somewhere, right? ऐसे रहेगा. Okay. ये distance क्या रहेगा? What is this distance going to be?
One by 3 of x.
1 by 3 of base. यहाँ पे 1 by 3 of this distance you say. You can call it base or height. So 1/3 of this distance, that is 1/3 of 30. When I look at this y value, so here also it is going to be 1 by 3 of this total height. That is again 30 in our present case, correct? So individual it is 1/3 of base and 1/3 of height for x and y. Here, look into this figure now. मतलब यहाँ पे somewhere is our CG, this point, correct? But my reference axes are here, so I have to add the extra distances. How do we add now? CG is this, so my total x value for a triangle is going to be from here to here. That is this. I have to add this, then I have to find this extra distance and then add this 1/3. Or in a triangle, I know that this is 1/3. Remaining is how much? 2/3 of 30. I will take total diameter and minus 2/3 of 30. I will directly get this distance. Understood? I'll explain again. For the triangle, when I find the CG, I know the triangle CG is this point. It is 1/3 of base. यहाँ पे, correct? But when we write it into the table, I have to write it with respect to the reference axis. मतलब I have to add these distances up to here. That is this I know 45, this 5, then I have to find this and add. Instead of that, what I can do is, when this is 1/3 of 30, the remaining is 2/3 of 30. We know this, correct? So what will be total diameter, that is 100, minus 2/3 of 30 we can write, right? So x3, I can write it as 100 minus 2/3 of 30. Any doubts? Anybody's got any doubt? Yes, no, no. No answer. Okay. What about y3? Can you tell me y3 value? Any one of you tell me y3 value. Yes, how do we write y3? What is the value? We need to get these distances. From here to here plus this. So how much is that? Am I audible? Can anyone put it into the chat box? First of all, tell me whether I am audible. Yes, no? Yes, okay, Prathamesh, thank you. Okay, how do we calculate y3? I need this from here to here, y value for a triangle. So this distance I know, 1/3 of 30. This we have to add. How much is this? That is radius, right? 50. So y3 we will be writing as 1/3 of 30, that is height, plus 50. Okay, 1/3 of 30 plus 50. 1/3 of height plus 50. Here, so that is your y3 value. Fourth one, this is a deduction only again. Fourth one is your rectangle. So A4, okay, rectangle A4. What is the area of the rectangle? 20 by 10. So minus 20 into 10. What about x4 for a rectangle? It is 20 by 2, this distance, plus extra this has to be added. How much is this? How do you get? 100 minus 20 divided by 2. This distance is going to be 100 minus 20 divided by 2. That is 80 divided by 2. That makes it 40. Okay. So when I'm writing x value for rectangle, it is 20 by 2 plus 40. So 20 by 2 plus 40. Okay. What about y3? Y4. Y4, it is going to be 10 by 2 plus this all the distances. Correct? Now, instead of, I can directly do that also. 10 by 2 plus 30 plus 50. That also you can write. So 10 by 2 is the individual plus 30 up to the center line, that is the height of the triangle, plus this radius 50. So you have all the values. Substitute and get me the value of x1 and x2, y1, sorry. x1 is a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 plus a4 x4, the whole thing divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4. Correct? Your a2, a3, a4 with here also, they will go with negative signs. Don't forget the negative sign, the numerical will go wrong. Okay, get me the value of x bar, please. I want you to solve. By then, others, today's strength is 43. The ones I want you to unmute. I will take the roll number or else. Who were not present for the last 1 week after the I. Before I taking your roll numbers, please, if you could unmute and tell me, it would be very good. You can put it into the chat box. Yes, what happened? Who is solving? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I don't have the answer for this, I think. I've changed one of the dimensions, so I don't have the answer for this. I'll solve it if you want. Yes, who is solving? At least X value you give me. Fine. Others are not doing, huh? Only Shifa is doing. Others are not doing, only Shifa has to do. The numerator is 342,772.09 divided by the areas. How much you're getting, Shifa?
Almost 470.
Yes, come again. 47 something. 40s में it must be, I think.
47.08.
I've changed one. 47.08, yeah. Correct. Right. Okay. So this is your X bar. For Y bar, you will substitute A1, Y1, A2, Y2, A3, Y3 and A4, Y4. Writing these is important. Equally important is substitution and getting the answer. Okay. Because if something goes wrong here, entire numerical is gone. But this everything is right, and here if you go wrong, then again the entire numerical has gone wrong. Clear? I want you people to solve these numericals. Solve it into the paper, or you can take a book, rough book, solve them, and later when I ask you to submit, please submit them as a assignment. Okay? I take next example. That one was a bit complicated. Matlab, there were 3-4 figures with many deductions. So next example, Locate the CG of the shaded figure. I want everyone to answer. At least tell me the locations if you're not solving. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. They've given the x and y-axis. It is like this. Okay. Locate the CG of the shaded figure. This is the shaded figure. Now this distance is given to be 40 mm. This distance is given to be 20 mm. If this is 40, this is also going to be 40. Understood? Because that is the radius, right? 40 mm. Height of the triangle is 30 mm. Okay. So total height would be 70. Actually, in the question, they have given total height as 70. Because this is 40, this is going to be 40. It's a quarter circle, no? So you have to identify if this is 40, this is 40. So 70 minus 40, height of the triangle would be 30 mm. Clear? So with this, how many geometrical figures are there? Anybody apart from Shifa and Deepa, regular people, apart from them, I want to hear. How many geometric figures are there? Lakshmi, you can put it into the chat box. Sonali, Vaishnavi, Lakshmi, Viju, Prathamesh, Shirish. How many geometric figures are there?
3.
3. I had told apart from Shifa. Okay. Lakshmi said 3. Fine. At least put it into the chat box, people, if you're not able to unmute and answer. 3. Which 3? Shifa will not answer. Which 3? Arvind, Ashwini KM, Anusha Hiramat, Deepak, Devraj, Karthik, Kiran.
Ma'am, there is a triangle and there is a quarter circle.
Huh?
And another one is
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Correct. Rectangle. Shirish. Because one side of the rectangle is 40. This side is 40. This side is 40 plus 20 matlab 60. This becomes a rectangle. So how many geometric figures we have? 1, 2, and 3. Correct? So how do we get? We will say CG of the rectangle plus CG of the triangle minus CG of a quarter circle is going to give us the CG of this shaded area. Right? Excuse me. So we'll put up that components, then area and x and y. Okay. So first component, I have written here triangle, so we'll go ahead with triangle only, no problem. So first is triangle. So what is the area of the triangle? What is the base of the triangle? So this is the base. Base is going to be 40 plus 20, that is 60. Correct? So area is going to be A1 equal to half base into height is 30. Correct? What about x1? Now I'll draw it here. This is the triangle, correct? This is the 90 degree. So nearer to 90 degree, you will have your CG, SA. This point is the CG point. I know that this is 1/3 of base and the remaining would be 2/3 of base. Now look into the diagram and tell me what is the value of x. x1 is going to be from here to this point. How much is that distance? You can put it into the chat box.
2/3 of 60.
Correct. 2/3 of 60. What about y1? Individual y1 is this 1/3 of height. Usko I have to add this extra 40. So it is going to be 1/3 of height, that is 30, plus distance 40. 1/3 of height, this one, plus 40 because uska CG chahiye, right? Reference axis. Next, second. Triangle is done. Second, we'll take a rectangle because quarter circle will go into deduction. So second one is a rectangle. A2 is going to be 60 into 40. Correct? Area is going to be 60 into 40. What about x2? For a rectangle who is 60 by 40, x2 is going to be exactly at the center, that is 60 by 2. And what about y2? Please tell me y2. 40 by 2, correct. 40 by 2. Then starts the deduction. Okay, then we will do the deduction. Now while doing the deduction में the quarter circle goes. Deduction will have a quarter circle. I will mark the quarter circle CG. This is the CG of the quarter circle, correct? And we know the values. This is 4r by 3 pi, 4r by 3 pi. Before that, A3 when I write, I have to write with a negative sign. What is the area of a quarter circle? Yes, what is the
Pi r
area of a
square by
quarter
4.
circle? Correct. Pi r here in our case is 40. Pi r square by 4. Right? Tell me x3 value. x3 is going to be from here to here. How much is that distance? From here to here. Derivation may we have got now that value it is. How much is this? कितना है ये? You know, no, quarter circle we have derived. This is the CG point. What is this distance? How much is this and this? Both are same. How much it is? 4
4
r
into
divided
by 3 pi.
Yeah, 4r into 3 pi. So it is going to be 4 r is 40 divided by 3 pi. X also is same. Y also is 4r by 3 pi. Y3 is 4r by 3 pi. Okay. We have all the values. Directly substitute and get the x bar. So x1 is going to be a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. Substitute. a1 x1 40 plus a2 is 60 into 40, x2 is 30 plus a3 is minus pi into 40 square by 4, x3 is 4 into 40 by 3 pi. The whole thing divided by a1, a2, a3. Half 60 into 30 plus 60 into 40 minus pi into 40 square by 4. Correct? Get me the value of x1, please. You can do it one by one. 0.5 into 60 into 30 into 40 minus 60 into 40 into 30. Is it going into negative? How much? How much is the value? I'm getting 42.41. Anybody else? Shifa? Hey, Pallavi's got it already. Yeah. 42.4. Pallavi, Lakshmi, yes, correct. Okay. So similarly, y1, get me the value of y1, please. If you are feeling substitution is easy, formula are nice, yes, everything is nice, you will go wrong definitely over here if you do not practice. So please see that if you're not answering here, at least at home you're doing this. Use a calculator and do it is not easy. Y1 is 35.07, correct, Deepa? 35.07 mm. Right, absolutely right. Okay, so these are your x1 and y1 for this shaded area. Clear? We will just discuss few more numericals. I want you to tell me the x and y values for these, okay? Just tell me the x and y values and we'll see how you will be able to do it. I want you to tell me vocally the values of these. The diagram goes like this. And 60, 40 goes here. Okay. So this is the shaded area. Now, which two quadrants it is covered? Which two quadrants it is covering?
First and second.
First and second. They have given the dimensions. This is 20 mm. Okay. This is 100 mm. And this height is 120 mm. Height of the B of the triangle. Okay. And then here they have given this means diameter, that is 40 mm is given. This edge distance is given to be 20. Agar this is 100, this is 20 and this is 40, matlab 60, remaining is how much? 100 minus 60, that is again 40 mm. So this distance is going to be 40, we have to calculate that. Okay. And here the base of the triangle is 40 mm. The base of the triangle is 40. Coming to the dimensions of this rectangle, the height of the rectangle is given to be 40, okay, and the width is 20. Clear? So we have to find the CG of this particular figure, shaded area only, right? So how many components are there, please? Can you unmute and tell how many components? How many and which components? Anybody can answer.
4 components.
4 components. Which are those 4, Deepa?
Semicircle, rectangle, two rectangle manam and triangle.
Correct. One semicircle, 2 rectangles and a triangle. In that bigger rectangle plus a triangle minus deductions by semicircle and a small rectangle. Correct. So first I'll go ahead with the component. We'll take the big rectangle. Correct. So big rectangle mein, what is the area of the bigger rectangle? It is going to be 100 by 120 or 120 by 100. Am I right? And there is no negative sign over here because it is the entire whole. Now tell me x1 value, what should I write for this? What is the x1 for this rectangle, bigger rectangle? Bigger rectangle CG is where exactly here at the center, this point. This is going to be my x1. How much is that value?
120 by 2.
X Shifa, ye value, 100 by 2. Height is 120. Okay. This is 100 by 2. Should I take a plus x or minus x? Because it is in the second part.
Minus 6.
So it is minus 100 by 2. This distance is 100. I think it is not clear because of the camera stuff. Okay. So this distance is minus x, that is 100 by 2. What about y1? Is this now? Now it is 120 by 2, Shifa. 120 by 2 positive, because in second quadrant y is always positive, x is negative, right? Second one, when you take a triangle, because they are the holes, later we will be deducting these two, right? A2 is going to be half, base is 40, height is how much? 120. Correct? Half base into height. Base is 40, height is 120. What about x2? So CG of the triangle is going to be here somewhere, this point. So this is my x2 and this is my y2. So what is the value of x2, please?
Forty by 2.
By 2, yeah, okay?
1/3 of 40.
1/3 of 40, yeah. This
Plus
is not a
100.
rectangle. By 100, Shifa. 1/3 of 40 is correct. Your reference is here, no y-axis. So with respect to y, यहाँ पे नहीं आना है. If this was y, then I would have taken plus 100. But that time for this figure, I would not have written x as minus that. Okay. So here is your y. This is our reference axis. So x2 is just 1/3 of 40, which is positive. Okay. What about y2? This distance. That is 1/3 of height of the triangle, that is 120. 120 is the height. So 1/3 of height, that is 1/3 of 120. And it is already with reference to x-axis. So we'll not add any distances. Once these two are done, then we have to go to the deductions. Okay. First, we will deduct the semicircle. First, let us deduct the semicircle. So A3, what is the area of a semicircle?
Pi r square by 2.
Correct. Now, diameter is 40. What is the radius? 20. Correct. Pi r is going to be 20 square by 2. This entire thing will go with a negative sign. Pi r square by 2 goes with a negative sign because it is going into reduction. What about x3 here? Now this is your semicircle. We'll draw the CG of a semicircle. CG would be here somewhere. Correct? This is your x3, but I have to write it with reference axis. So 40 plus this distance is your x. And y would be just this, 4r by 3 pi. So how do I write x3? What is the distance from here to here? This is how much? D by 2, no? You remember for a semicircle, one is 4r by 3 pi, one is d by 2, right? So this distance is d by 2, plus here they have given us already it is 40. And this entire thing is falling in the second quadrant, so it is minus d by 2, that is 40 by 2 plus 40. Entire thing will go with negative sign because it is in second quadrant. 40 by 2 is this distance plus 40, okay, with a negative sign x3. What about y3? 4r by 3 pi, positive. So 4r is 20 by 3 pi, 4r by 3 pi. Fourth one, we have a smaller rectangle, correct? A4 for the smaller rectangle is going to be 20 by 40 with a negative sign because it is going into reduction, right? What is the x4 value? Is it lying on the reference axis? Is the CG of this rectangle lying on the reference axis? Yes, no? Yeah? Is the CG of this rectangle, CG of the rectangle is here, see. Is the CG lying on the reference axis?
Yes, ma'am.
CG of that individual diagram is lying on the reference axis. So x will be what? 0. X4 value is 0 because they are only CG. There is no distance between them. What about Y4? Y4 would be, I have to add distances from here up to this point. Okay. So what we can do is we can come from top. This total is 120 minus 20 minus 40 by 2 you can write. I want this distance. So ye milne ke liye total is 120 minus 20 is given minus 40 by 2. Okay, that becomes your y4. So write it here. 120 minus 20 minus 40 by 2, that is also 20. So total would be 80. So x4 is 0. So a4 x4 becomes 0 in the numerator. Okay, a4x4 becomes 0 because x is 0. Substitute all this and get me the value of x and y. You can put it on the group, right? I'll share you the link. I want you to give me your attendance. Check whether it is opening. Second link.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please give me your attendance.